flooring came today. It's like another Christmas here. All right, that's should be 6mm foam that's going to go on there like that. It's pretty solid. Looks pretty good right now, so we're hoping that coating of the epoxy helps create a better bond with the decking when we roll it out there. But so we gotta let this decking down directly on just the water sealed plywood. It's okay, it looks good, it looks pretty stuck, and you can walk on it. The only thing is, if you listen, there seem to be still some parts in the middle of the decking where it isn't perfectly adhered down to the wood. So we are trying something. So we didn't like the adhesion that much of this piece, so I got some Loctite polyurethane glue, and I'm going to put some on under the final piece of decking here, so that hopefully we get a better bond and we don't have that squeak in there.